Okay, so this is different limits and intermediate form homework number 19. I'm going to go over question number E, letters E and F. So if we take a look at question letter E, it is x e to the 1 over x minus x as x goes to 0. So what ends up happening is we end up, if we plug it in, we get 0 times e to the infinity. 1 over 0 is infinity, so that becomes 0 times infinity minus 0. Okay. So this issue is not an issue. It's just 0. We know it goes to 0. What we really want to know is what's happening over here. Okay, what's this 0 times infinity? So what we can do then is rewrite this limit. Limit as x goes to 0 from the positive side, e to the 1 over x over 1 over x, okay, minus x. So we end up, we just need to work out this ratio here. This is going to end up becoming 0, so we don't really need to consider that. And then we now have, so in fact, I'm going to just erase that part here because it's kind of getting in the way. So this becomes infinity over infinity type. We have the condition to apply L'Hopital's. Okay, so L'Hopital's, we end up with limit as x goes to 0 from the positive side, e to the 1 over x times negative 1 over x squared over negative 1 over x squared. Those all cancel out. As I plug it in, I end up with e to the 1 over 0, or e to the infinity, so it's equal to infinity. Okay. For F, letter F looked like this. What did letter F look like? It was limit as x goes to 0 from the negative side of x e to the 1 over x minus x, and it's approaching it from the negative side. Oh, this is essentially the same problem. Okay, so it's approaching it from the negative side. Essentially, we're going to do the exact same thing. Okay, so we're going to end up with this limit. Okay, so it's the same analysis, except we end up with this limit as x goes to the 0 from the negative side of e to the 1 over x. Okay, so this becomes e to the 1 over x. The limit as x goes to 0 from the negative side is going down to negative infinity. So from the positive side, it goes up to positive infinity. From the negative side, it goes down to negative infinity. So we end up with here, this was e to the, maybe I should just clarify this one, e to the positive infinity, which gave us infinity. Here we're going to end up with e to the negative infinity, which is equal to 0. Okay, so those are that's the difference between the E and F.